Good morning, class. As we have started with the exercises and workbook of Chapter 3 Amachi's Brilliant Traps. Now, today we are going to continue with the exercises only. Today we are going to do A, B, and C exercise, that is on page number 21 and 22. They are based on adjectives. Now, first of all, let me tell you what are adjectives. Adjectives are describing words that tells us something more about nouns. I hope you all remember what a noun. Noun is the name of person, place, animal or thing. So adjectives are the describing words. Adjectives tells us something more about the quality, quantity of and number of person, place, animal or thing. Here we get to know something more about the quality of persons, something more about the quantity of animals or the quantity of things. Here we get to know about this. Now let us begin with the exercise A, B and C. Before starting the exercise A, B and C, there is a short explanation about adjective of quality, quantity and number. So let us begin with the explanation first. Let us begin with the exercise from page number 21. So open to page number 21 in your English literature workbook. Grammar wise, adjectives. Adjectives, quality, quantity and number. Adjectives are those words which tells us something more about nouns, about the quality, quantity and number of nouns. Adjectives are describing words. They describe us something. Words that tell us more about nouns. They tell us something more about nouns. Adjective of quality tells us about the kind of a noun, that how it is. Noun is the name of person, place, animal or thing. Adjective of quality tells us that about the quality of person, place, animal or thing. A little bird, that means a small bird. A fat bear, a tall tree. Here the word little, fat and tall are all the adjective of quality. Adjective of number tell us about how many nouns there are. Adjective of number tells us about the number of nouns. That is 2 boys, 1 horse, 3 bananas. 2 boys, 1 horse, just 1 horse and 3 bananas. Here 2, 1 and 3 are all adjective of numbers. Now adjective of quantity tells us the quantity, that is how much of nouns that are there. Quantity. A little rice, a few coins, some milk. Here the word little, few and some are all adjectives of quantity. Now I hope the adjective of quality, quantity and number are clear to all of you. Now let us begin with the exercise which are being given below. I have told you that today we are going to do A, B and C exercise. Now let us begin with A exercise. Choose suitable adjective of quality from the box and fill in the blanks. Now in this we have to choose suitable adjectives of quality from this box given over here and then fill it in the blanks. First one is pretty, fresh, beautiful, little, new, naughty, wooden, small. These are the words given in the help box. You have to use these words to fill the blanks. Now the first one is the neem tree has dash leaves. The neem tree has pretty leaves. So fill pretty in the blank given. We have taken this word from here only. The dash birds sings a dash song. Now in this the little bird sings a beautiful song. We are using adjective of quality over here. Now let us move to third one. I have a dash bug box, dash bugs look big in it. I have a wooden bug box, small bugs looks big in it. Fourth one is Meeta loves to eat dash strawberries with vanilla ice cream. So we will use Meeta loves to eat fresh strawberries with vanilla ice cream. Now let us move to fifth one. My pet dog is very, let us spell the word naughty. My pet dog is very naughty. Sixth one is the old man has a dash stick. The old man has a new stick. Now I hope you all have got how you have to fill this adjective of quality from the help box. Now let us move to adjective of quantity. That is in the B exercise. B exercise is choose suitable adjective of quantity to complete the given conversation. We have been given some of the adjective of quantity like a few, any, many, most, some, more, all. So the first one is Suman, there are so dash new books in our school library. So there are so many new books in our school library. Now second one is Ritvik dash of them are story books dash of them are encyclopedias. So few of them are story books and most of them are encyclopedias. Now turn to page number 22. Suman, I am excited to read dash of them. I am excited to read all of them. Now again, Ritvik, not dash books can be borrowed. Dash of them can be read only in the libraries. Not all books can be borrowed. Some of them can be read only in the library. Now, Suman, we can borrow dash the books from reading section for our classes. We can borrow all the books from reading sections for our classes. Ritvik, I have already borrowed a book. I will borrow dash books for the upcoming holidays. I have already borrowed a book. I will borrow more books for the upcoming holidays. Suman, I will borrow them too. Do you have dash recommendations? I will borrow them too. Do you have any recommendations? Now, we have done the B exercise. Now let us move to C1. C1 is look at the pictures. Choose the correct adjective of numbers from the bracket and fill in the blank. In this, you have to see the pictures. And then we have been given 3 options over here. You have to choose any one of it and write it in the blank given over here. So let us do the first one. There are dash 5 to 4 books on the table. Let us count 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 books on the table. So let us write there are 4 books on the table. Now second one is Sheila enjoyed a dash 4, 3, 2 scoops of ice cream. How many scoops are there? 1 and 2. So Sheila enjoyed 2 scoops of ice cream. Third one is I had dash 3, 4, 6 glasses of juice yesterday. 1, 2, 3, 4. I had 4 glasses of juice yesterday. Now, fourth one is there are dash 2, 3, 4 packs of cards on the table. 1 pack, 2 pack, 3, 4. There are 4 packs of cards on the table. Fifth one is there are dash 44 three doors in this room. There are 1, 2, 3. There are 3 doors in this room. Now I think you all have got how you have to do these 3 exercises in your book only. You have to do all these 3 exercises in your book only. Start learning the exercises of chapter 3, that is Amachi's Brilliant Traps, from the workbook only. Thank you.